Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use public address system, only way. Connect the microphone to the mixer, power on the amplifier, and set all gains conservatively to avoid feedback. Start with a short mic check, speaking at normal volume while standing where the audience will be. Adjust equalization to reduce harsh frequencies and slowly raise the master level until the room sounds clear without distortion. Walk the venue to confirm even coverage and make small level tweaks. Use proper microphone technique to get the best sound from your public address system. Keep the mic 2 to 3 inches from your mouth and speak directly into it, maintaining a steady pace and clear enunciation. Angle the mic slightly to reduce plosives and avoid covering the grill. If multiple speakers share one mic, remind them about consistent distance and volume to prevent sudden level jumps and feedback during the event. Mixing is about balance and subtle adjustments for a reliable public address system. Start by setting channel gains with the mixer's peak meter and avoid clipping. Use EQ to reduce muddy or harsh tones and apply a high-pass filter on vocals to clean low-end rumble. Create a simple mix where speech sits clearly above background audio and use compression sparingly to control dynamics without sounding squashed. Walk the room and tweak for consistency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.